Hello and welcome to Adells. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Today we will talk about using a hand pump for convenient and efficient milk collection. First, let's get acquainted with its components. You will have at your disposal a milk collection bowl that covers the milk production area, a pump handle, and a bottle or container. Assembly is quick and easy. Start by ensuring all parts are clean and sterilized. First, connect the collection cup securely to the pump body. Next, twist on your collection bottle or container firmly at the base. Finally, attach the pump handle. Make sure everything feels snug and ready to go. Now for positioning. This is key for comfort and efficient flow. Hold the collection cup firmly against the milk-producing area, ensuring it's centered. You want to create a gentle seal all around the edge. It shouldn't feel uncomfortable. A good fit means better collection. Once positioned, begin pumping. Gently squeeze the handle to create suction, then release. You're aiming for a rhythm that mimics natural flow, not a fast or forceful one. Think of it as a gentle compression and release. You might feel a slight tug, but it should never be painful. Milk may start to flow in drops at first, then increase to a steady stream. Take your time and find a rhythm that works for you. After each session, thoroughly clean and sterilize all pump components. This is vital for hygiene. Lastly, consistency is key. Regular pumping, even for short durations, signals to your body that there's a need, which can help maintain or even increase your production over time. We hope these troubleshooting and advanced tips empower your manual collection journey. If you found this helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to Adells, and share this video. Thanks for watching.